Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first actions. First, make sure your Windows edition supports WSL2. This matters because Docker Desktop relies on it for performance. Next, enable virtualization in BIOS and install required Windows updates so kernels align. Once done, download and run the Docker Desktop installer, and during setup choose WSL2 backend and integrate with your preferred Linux distro. This gets the engine ready to run containers locally. Once Docker Desktop is installed, open it and configure integration so your Linux distro can run containers. You should enable resources WSL integration for the distro you use. This lets Docker use the lightweight VM. Then open PowerShell or a WSL shell and run WSL LV to verify distro state and Docker version to confirm the daemon is reachable. If containers feel slow, adjust CPU, memory, and disk in Settings Resources. Tweaks here improve build and runtime behavior. Now run a quick test. Docker run rm hello world to confirm everything responds, then try Docker run dp 8080, 80 engine X to serve a simple site. Use Docker PS to view running containers and Docker logs ID to inspect output. For multi-container apps, run Docker Compose up from your project folder. If something breaks, restart Docker Desktop first. If that fails, update the WSL kernel or reset Docker to factory defaults as a targeted troubleshooting step to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.